Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Doing a couple of mods to this WONITAGO drop stitch Packraft. What I want to do is put a carry handle in the middle, so I bought a pack of carry handles, pack of 2. So I'm going to put one in the middle of there and one on the front, on the prow there. There is already one on the back, so I'm not bothered about that. Now what I'm going to use for this project is Dr. Boat. Now, I thought I had some sandpaper somewhere, but I don't. But I've used Dr. Boat without it before. I used it for creating the viewing window in the red kayak in this very room. So let's get these stuck on. The first thing I'm going to do is this middle carry handle. So this is roughly in the center of the boat. And I want it sort of like kind of just after the seat. It's just to make it a bit easier to carry, so I can carry it a bit like a supboard really. And I kind of need it to have a little bit of lift on it so that I can get my hands underneath it. I'm not going to measure it out on either side because I'm not overly precious about that. I just want it roughly in the middle of the width of the boat. So I think there will do. I'm going to roll that back, move this out of the way first. Got a couple of bags that I'm going to use as gloves because I don't have any gloves. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue on here and just spread it about and leave it to go tacky. Put some glue on here, leave it to go tacky. So that's got some of that on there. Just spread that about a bit so we get full coverage. Spread it about on there. Then I'm going to drop a little bit on here. Spread it about a little bit, roughly to the size of that. And then leave that until it goes tacky. It doesn't take long. So less than a minute has passed and that has already kind of gone tacky. Yeah, we're kind of there. And what I'm going to do now is put some more of this on here. A good dollop. Spread it about again. And now the fun bit. So press that down. So I've got a bit of a, let's slide that in a little bit. A bit of an area there where it's kind of lifting. So we'll put some more under there. Couple of books, couple of weights, then we'll just leave that to cure. Right, so been out in this today. It does work really well as a centre carry handle. It makes it really easy. I've deflated this now, otherwise I'd have shown you. But when this is in, it makes it really easy just to pick the boat up like that. Really handy, and also carrying it sideways on works really well. Hope you found that useful. If you have, you know what to do. Let me know in the comments, all that kind of stuff, and subscribe and all that jazz. Alright, you take care of yourself. Cheerio!